back to the Vortex channel. So today we're going to be shooting 9 things that we have right here with a .177 caliber BB gun right here. So everything is on safe. I'm going to pump it 5 more times. I already have it pumped a little. Okay, so we have it pumped like 10 times. First thing we're going to shoot is this balloon right here. We're going to be shooting this next, but I have the balloon because it's kind of windy today. So we're going to come down here and just put this down. This is going to be a pretty easy target. The next one we're going to do is actually a water balloon. So we're going to just put this right here. Shoot that balloon, and then we're going to shoot the pumpkin after. That's a pretty big balloon. Okay. Okay. So we got it ready. It's going to be a moving target. I'm going to stand up again, I think I actually hit the pumpkin. Well, that was crazy. All right. Let's go down there and see what we hit. Oh, we did hit the balloons. Oh! I'm surprised it didn't actually explode. Where did it hit, though? I don't see a hole in the balloon. Wait, what? Actually, what? Where did it hit? Oh wait, there is a hole in it right there. That's from something different. So what I think we did is we hit the ground. Something flew up from the ground and punctured it. Trick shot? Alright, now we're going to shoot the pumpkin then. At least it's not a moving target now. That was so weird. Because I thought it would go and then we realized, oh, we didn't hit it. Alright, let's go check it out and see if we hit the pumpkin. But it sounded like we hit something. Okay. Alright, so we're listening. Okay. Oh. Alright, we have the right here. And we're gonna see if we can hit it. I don't think I'm gonna be able to hit it from here, but okay. Let's see if we hit it. I don't think yeah, I don't think we hit it. No way. We just barely scraped it. Right there, you can see where there's like pieces of it. Wow. Okay. You know what? Point blank. Oh yeah, went right through. Oh, there's a hole. Oh wait. Nope, that's a piece of the pumpkin. Yeah, it went straight through into there. Can't split that. That's very hard. All right, let's head up there and do the next thing. All right. So the next thing we're gonna do is the can. This can. This is the air can, not that can. We're not sponsored. Okay. So, as you can see, we're gonna go set it up right now. Okay, it is now right down there. I don't know if I want to be able to hit it from here. Okie doke. Right here. Oh, it shot the top off. All right, let's go down there and check it out. Okay. Wait, did we hit the top? I think we hit the top. Oh, we hit the top. It went right into the top. Okay. All right. Now we can go for the bottom again. We're just gonna try and see if it explodes or anything. Okay. Cut. Okay. See if we can hit not the top. Alright, so that, I don't think any air came out because it's empty. That was the BB going inside. So the BB is still inside. Alright, we're gonna cut where I'm gonna break this open, so 1 sec. Editor, speed this up. We're not getting that out of there. This is the water balloon. Oh, it exploded. There's like dust. All right, let's see. Okay. So I missed a few times off camera, so I just cut that part out. Anyway, so yeah, it definitely hit the water balloon. Now where, oh, I thought there was a hole in the bottom. So where did it go? There's definitely, did it stop? I don't see the BB. It did not go through the bottom like I thought it would. I think it hit the balloon and just like went down there somewhere. All right, next thing. Okay, so we have the can. And we're just going to go shove that in the ground. It's not even in the, okay. Should be able to hit this one pretty easily. I'm pretty sure I went right through the top. Oh. Sorry about that. I don't know what this weird dent is, but it hit right there. Went right through. I only did 5 pumps instead of 10 because I was like, oh yeah. I was like that, but I didn't think it actually go all the way through. Never mind. All right, we're gonna be shooting the elephant ear leaf that's currently down there. It's like 2 times bigger than my head. Okay. Did I miss? I'm telling you, if I miss, I'm gonna screw. I think it went into the bottom. Oh, wow. What a lucky shot. Right through the stem. All right, oh, look at this. This is crazy. So it went through here, and then it like left a like indent where it went pew. Okay, so the moment you have all been waiting for, the glass bottle is right down there. I think it's probably gonna shatter. We'll see. Right now. 3, 2, 1. Oh wait, did it bounce off? I saw it. Did it like? Oh, okay. It nicked the side. All right, so it did a little bit of damage to the side because it just went right through the side. It just went like right past. All right, now we're gonna do one where it goes right through the middle. Alrighty, let's try that again. Oh, that was so cool. All right, let's go down and check it out. I'm gonna put gloves on real quick, so as you can see, my hands are. Okie doke. So we have gloves on now, and as you can see, here's the top of the bottle, right? Oh, there's the top. As you can see, it's all falling apart. There's pieces coming out of the top. And then there's pieces of glass all around here. As you can see, there's glass pieces here and everywhere. So I would assume it went all the way through. It's definitely shattered on the back. So it went right through. Where's the part on the side? I wonder if that piece of glass, oh yeah. Okay, so I think this is where it went right through the front, or that's where it went through the side. It didn't, by the way, when it went through the side, it did not go all the way through. I think this is when it went through the side. Well, and there's glass inside of that. We're gonna finish this bottle off with the gun again. All right, we got safety glasses on. This is dangerous. Do not try this at home. I will tell you that right now. And we're gonna point blank it. Hopefully nothing flies and hits me in the face. It went right through. Oh, that's the door, Mom. Mom, that was the door. Anyway, so, well, yeah. All right, now let's check it out. That was a pretty easy one. Where did it go? So it went right here. And I did not see a hole on the back. Is it inside? It's not inside. I will see you in the next video. Wait, you weren't recording, right? You weren't recording. Cut. Look, there's this big elephant ear leaf. It is bigger than my head, like 2 times bigger. All right, this is gonna be down there right now. It's gonna be easy to hit. This is a massive target. Did that actually shoot anything? That didn't shoot anything. Okay. I need to get more BBs. Okay, everyone, here is the moment you have all been waiting for, the glass bottle. Comment if you think it's gonna go right through, shatter it, cut it.